Hello everyone and welcome to this beginner's introduction to Microsoft Word. In this lesson, we are going to explore the Microsoft Word screen, the ribbon, the menus, and the most important icons that you will use when creating documents. If you are completely new to Microsoft Word, do not worry. We'll go step by step and we'll guide you. Let us begin. If you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10, click the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Word in the search box. Click on Microsoft Word from the search results. Microsoft Word will open. If a start screen appears, click Blank Document to create a new document. This is our new document. Alternatively, if Microsoft Word is pinned to your taskbar, simply click the Microsoft Word icon to open it. If you already have a Word document saved on your computer, you can also open it by double-clicking the document file. Once Microsoft Word opens, you will see a blank document similar to the one shown on the screen. At the center of the screen, we have the document area. The blinking vertical line is called the cursor or the insertion point. It shows you where your text will appear when you start typing. Now let us move to the top of the screen. At the very top left, we can see the autosave switch. Autosave automatically saves your work while you are working, especially when using OneDrive or cloud storage. Next to it, we have icons for save, undo, and redo. The save icon allows you to save your document. The undo icon removes the last action you performed. The redo icon restores an action that was undone. Next, we can see the document title, and this depends on the name that you've given to the document. So in this case, we haven't given any name, hence it says document 12. On the top center, we have the search box. This allows you to quickly search for tools, commands, and help inside Microsoft Word. Now, let us move to the ribbon tabs. The ribbon is the long section containing menus and icons. The first tab is File. The File tab is used for creating new documents, opening existing documents, saving, printing, sharing, and exporting files. Next is the Home tab. The Home tab contains the most commonly used tools in Microsoft Word. Let us explore the Home tab step by step. The first section is called Clipboard. Here we have paste, cut, copy, and format painter. Paste inserts copied content into the document. Cut removes selected text and places it on the clipboard. Copy duplicates selected text without removing it. Format Painter copies formatting from one part of the document to another. Next is the font section. This section controls the appearance of text. At the top, we can choose the font style. We can choose from any of the styles that are listed right here. Next to it is the font size box, currently showing size 12. Then we have increase font size, decrease font size, change case. We have a range of options to select there. Clear formatting. Below that, we have important formatting icons such as bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript, superscript, text effects, highlight color, and font color. Bold makes text darker and thicker. Italic slants the text. Underline places a line beneath the text. Subscript makes text smaller and lower, often used in chemical formulas. Superscript makes text smaller and higher, often used in mathematical expressions. Text highlight color allows you to highlight text. Font color changes the color of your text. Next is the paragraph section. This is the paragraph section. This section controls paragraph formatting and alignment. Here we have bullets, numbering, multi-level lists, align left, center align, align right, justify, line spacing, shading, and borders. Bullets are used for unordered lists. Numbering creates numbered lists. Alignment controls where text appears on the page. Line spacing controls the distance between lines. Borders add lines around selected text or paragraphs. Next is the Styles section. Styles help you apply professional formatting quickly. For example, normal, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2, and so on. Headings are useful when creating reports, assignments, and documents with sections. Next is the editing section. Here we have find, replace, select. Find searches for words or phrases in the document. Replace allows you to replace words automatically. Select helps you select text or objects. Next is dictate. Dictate allows you to speak, and Microsoft Word converts your speech into text. Next is the editor tool. Editor helps check spelling, grammar, writing suggestions. This is very useful for improving document quality. Now let's look at other tabs. Insert allows you to add tables, pictures, shapes, charts, headers, footers, and page numbers. Design changes the overall appearance of the document. Layout controls margins, page orientation, spacing, and page size. References is useful for academic work and allows you to insert citations, bibliography, footnotes, and table of contents. Mailings is used for mail merge, labels, and envelopes. Review contains spelling tools, comments, translation, and track changes. View changes how the document appears on the screen. Help provides support and assistance for Microsoft Word features. At the bottom of the screen, we have the status bar. The status bar shows page numbers, word count, language, and accessibility status. It also shows the zoom level. On the bottom right, we have the zoom slider. This allows you to zoom in and zoom out of the document. Beginners should spend time exploring these tabs and icons because they form the foundation of Microsoft Word skills. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become using Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching this introduction to Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly digital skills tutorials. See you in the next lesson.